Hello everyone, I'm still my humble self, Chukwuka Obelago, and welcome to the draw, the Kringle Cash $25 draw. The winner of this draw will have the opportunity to exchange $25 worth of their TBC to cash. Okay, I know a lot of you have been waiting for the result. Some people even confused the mail they got when we confirm that we receive your order. That is that when you get that order completed mail, it means we confirm your order. Okay, we confirm your ticket, the ticket you ordered or the ticket you got. Okay, that's what it means by getting that mail that says order completed. Okay, but even if you don't receive the mail, don't worry. As long as you placed your bid, as long as you got a ticket between August 14th till yesterday, you were in the clear. Okay, anybody who is participating now is losing out. All right, so the numbers are already here. You picked out the numbers. Now, how we're going to do this is this. Okay, the system we use to do this online raffle draw only allows us to give out tickets from 100 to 200. Okay, now what we're going to do now is get the winning number, then now check in the system to see if we have more than 2 people with that same number. When we do that, we'll now do the final draw. Now, if you happen to be lucky not to share any number with anybody, then it means that you are the straight winner. Okay, and your name will be revealed in this video. All right, so I'll just try to make this quick. All right, so I'm going to shake the bucket, rock that table, then pick a number with my left hand. All right. Okay, so number 162, 2018 162, this number is the winning number. Then let me confirm in the system to see if someone else shares this number with anybody. All right, okay, so I'm going to type in 2018, okay, sorry, 2018 162. All right, so I think we have only one number with that. Okay, so we have one winner, but this winner is disqualified. Why? Because he has more than one ticket number. He has 162, 163, 164. So this number is out. So I'm going to do another draw again. I'm going to shake the bucket. No favorites, no special treatment. Okay, I'm going to look at you guys and pick a number. All right. Okay, so we have 132. 132. Let's confirm if 132 is legit enough to be the winner of this draw. So I'm going to go back again and type in 2018 132. All right, so we have 3 people. Okay, we have Nadia Singh from India. All right, so I'm going to take down his number. Nadia Singh from India. We have okay, this person is already disqualified. Cyrus Ampun from Philippines is disqualified. He has multiple tickets. He has 130, 120, 131, and 132. So he is disqualified. Then let's check again to see. All right. So we have the winner. The winner of this draw is Nadia Yuman Singh, okay, from Manipur, India. You're the winner of this draw. So we have someone from India as the winner of this draw. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to email him and contact him on how he can get across to me and pay his $10, not pay his $10 fee. And pay, we discuss how he's going to pay $25, send $25 worth of TBC across to me. Then I'm going to credit him in Bitcoin with $25 worth of this, or $25 worth of Bitcoin. If he doesn't have a Bitcoin account, then probably I'll grant him access to shop for things on the Billion Coin Mart up to the tune of $25. Okay, so guys, that's it for the draw. I thank you guys for participating. Please pay attention, because each time we're trying to be innovative or to come up with innovation of things that will help promote TBC in a good light. So the draw is one of them, and also apart from the draw, we're trying to experiment one or two things. Like I told you guys, we have an online store that's going to sell only 100% TBC without condition. All right, and that is coming this month of September. All right, but you can only know that when we reveal it through the app or send an email out to the users of the app. Okay, guys, so this is the winning number 132. Okay, and Nadia Singh is the winner. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I still know humble self Belago. Share this video with as many people as you can. Okay, maybe I might change my mind on how to go about the raffle draw. All right, but I can't wait to start filming humble self Belago. Take care and bye for now.